it says I'm running on a GPT 5.2 OpenAI model for this session. So that's great. We've set that all up. And so now how do we switch from GPT to Kimi 2.5? Now, as you've seen earlier in the initial configuration, there wasn't a field for Kimi 2.5, right? So it wasn't one of the AI models that was out of the box that you could put on there. So where you want to go is you want to go over down on this left-hand bar and go over to this gear icon here and click on config. And here you want to toggle over to raw, which is the JSON raw file. And what we're doing essentially is we're going to manually overwrite some of these things. And if you're not familiar with JSON, don't worry about it, because we're literally just going to add one chunk of JSON code in here, which I will put in the description down below for you to be able to just copy and paste in as well. And then here are the model's description. And then here's the gateway token. And it says OpenClaw redacted because they just generally don't want to show any sensitive tokens over here on this panel. And what we need to do now is over on this part, just right above the agents here, we want to add a model section, which is basically just adding the Moonshot AI or Kimi 2.5 model as part of the models that can be used by OpenClaw. So the whole chunk's going to be in here. And what you need to do is simply replace this with your Moonshot or Kimi 2.5 API key. So where can you get the Kimi 2.5 API key? So where you want to go is to go over to build.nvidia.com/moonshotai/kimi-k2.5.